To customize Always On Display on the Realme C71, first you will have to go for the settings. From here you have to go into the wallpaper and style, and as you are here, go for turn screen off. This basically is Always On Display. And as you are here, you can find these categories, which is the personalized category and some system themes right here. So you can choose these custom patterns or Bitmoji, or this basically the theme from this category for more personalized experience if you'd like to, but I will actually try to search for some nice themes in the system category right here, because you can also kind of customize them yourself. So yeah, let's for example select this image right here, and here we can find a couple of different animated, some of these are animated pictures for your Always On Display. So let's for example select this one, and here you can customize the color of the displayed items right here, for the hour, for the date and time, and for this battery information right here. So let's select this color, which pretty much nicely matches the picture right here, and now press apply. And here you can go for display settings, and here you can you can toggle which information you'd like to display on this Always On Display. So you can turn off and turn on the notifications, for example, date and some other stuff. So yeah, you can pretty much nicely customize it. I will leave it like this one. Only the time will be displayed on this Always On Display. And yeah, here you can additionally turn on to show new notifications on the Always On Display. And yeah, all of these different themes have like different types of customization. Like the digital clock, for example, it has a couple of different clock styles right here. So what I recommend you to do is simply take a look at all of these themes right here and decide yourself which one you like and customize it. So yeah, I currently just showed you how you can pretty nicely customize your Always On Display. Now let's wait for this screen to appear, and that's how it looks like. So yeah, thank you for watching.